I'm gonna do unpackage for a little while. Before I'm gonna go into the movie theaters to see a Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm going to unboxing for right now. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. There's Ice Age Super Cool Edition. Here's the front. Side. Other side. Here's the back. Yep. It has a THX logo in it. There's no THX on the Super Cool Edition DVD. Let's do the keep case. I'm going to cut the seal off. Yes. Yep. Alright. Security stickers off. I don't use it. And it has the inserts in it. Yep. Yep. Here's scene selections. Yep. Here's the promo. Alright. Time for the discs. Disc 1 just the movie, and disc 2 just special features. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me in the comments below what you see in the video. I will see you later. See you later. Goodbye.